Last year, like 5 of us were busy for 60 days preparing the report. But then right now, this year, in the span of 6 minutes, we get the report. So, we are using that time to implement and execute the action plans that is being generated from the report rather than making the report itself. I think that's what every company looks forward to. This is Oscar. My full name is Oscar Mansingh Pradhan, and I currently work as Employee Engagement Specialist at HLE Nepal. Well, talking about HLE is a business processing outsourcing company. It's been almost like, more than 14 years that we are in business here at Nepal. And we cater to home loan experts, which is based in Sydney. And apart from home loan experts, we are now offering a lot of outsourcing services to different other Australian mortgage industry companies in Australia. Talking about our history for employee engagement surveys or any platform where we used to measure engagement of employees, it was all manual intervention. Let me tell you, last year it took 5 people and culture assistant 60 days to complete the engagement report. Human manual intervention, when you have a humans involved in these kind of survey and making report, there will be a lot of errors, right? When a system does it, it's quite accurate, but then when human does it, there will be a lot of errors. So that was one of the challenges. Another would be, when it comes to engagement survey, like there are a lot of open-ended things. There's so many things that that's like descriptive, so it's very difficult to quantify those areas. But then when it comes to CultureMonkey, and if you see the manager dashboard, engagement, other reports, then so many drivers, so many areas are quantifiable. So that is something very unique, and every company or senior management would like to have that snapshot view of those data. And while talking about HLE Nepal, what we have been doing is we had this manager session where we were discussing about the findings of company-wide and department-wide, and due to the easy access of all these report findings in the system itself, like there is a feature, heat map drill down feature, which is very easy. Be it different demographics, you can see the drivers ratings and score in just one snapshot. So managers get the view of what their team wants, where they are lagging behind. So once that access was provided to all managers, currently all the managers are now preparing action plan for their particular team. So we have this company-wide focus, what we need to focus on, that's there. But then in a granular level, each team member, each team heads, they are now preparing action plans on what they need to do for this coming year based on all the heat map drill down, the areas or the drivers that they have been scored low. Thing about CultureMonkey is they have this manager dashboard. So manager dashboard is a compilation of all those reports, and managers are being able to see the real-time scores on what their team are doing, how they are performing and everything. So these data will be quite a blessing to all our manager. Like, we live in a age where data is considered gold, right? Data speaks. So when we present these data to our leaders, they will be able to form action plans. They will be able to lead their team in a much better way. That was lagging big time before, but then with the presence of CultureMonkey from this year, I think the journey is going to be much smoother and much better. Anything that is to do with the culture and engagement, that can be in this system. So soon we are planning to roll out pulse survey, exit survey, onboarding, and catch up surveys inside the CultureMonkey system. CultureMonkey is a revolutionary platform in terms of employee engagement and culture. Like it is a game changer. So until unless you use it, you'd see the benefit, you'd see the changes once you use it. So I think it is quite a must for any companies with higher number of people, because with the increasing number of people, it's going to be a little difficult to track, are my employees happy, are they engaged, and stuff like that. But then uh, the ability of the platform to access all these sentiments, quantify these data and drivers of the staff is something, it is out of the world. So I think this is the platform which is going to be quite a game changer globally, not just in few countries, but then globally soon.